Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve this experience is unavailable on your phone. To know how to fix or how to solve this experience is unavailable on a Roblox app, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page you will search about this window of Roblox and you click here in this app. When you find it, you will go to you'll find it here. When you'll find it, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.